Look at all of these machines. I'm at my Bobcat dealership. A lot of MT85s there too. Hi guys, so I'm at my Bobcat dealership, North Jersey, Bobcat of Totowa. And they have a new R-Series excavator here. So they said I was allowed to video it. So I'll take you around. It's a typical machine, bucket exchange. This has the automatic exchange, angle blade. So they changed the cab a bit. There's more glass. It's a little sleeker in this area. Your fuel is tucked away in here. This is still junk plastic. This at least is a nice steel counterweight. I like this. Tailgate, push this up, opens up. Got all your engine compartment. Over here, this lifts up with this tab. It's a little hard to do, and this is someone's machine, so I'm not gonna open it up. This machine is sold already. More junk plastic, radiators in there. It's pretty similar to the M. New decal, North Jersey. We'll take you up inside. See, the front has a lot more glass. There's a lot more glass for this door, and even this side door. They put a lot more glass. They went back to the old hinge design that they had on the original M's. I guess that little hitch with the hook didn't work out so well. So this is a much better design. Here's your little knob to flip that door open. Okay. So this is pretty much the same as the M series. You have this to lift your window up. The top window is a little small. The side windows now, these side windows, now you push this and it'll slide and lock in different locations. So that's a nice feature that you don't have to go back and forth. Instrumentation is the same. AC controls, radio, all of that is the same. This controls the angle blade. This is the horn. Your foot pedals are down there. Rear window has more room. Here's your pattern selector valve, so you can select your control pattern, compartment. They did a pretty nice redesign. It's interesting. This is the E50, so you can see it's basically the same. See, this is the hitch I'm talking about. E45 has it too. As you can see, it's pretty much the same setup as you have in the R series, but you do have more glass. As you can see, the glass is way more. A little bit of a sleeker design. So there you have it. This is your new R series Bobcat excavators. The E32 and E35 are out now. The rest of the excavators, they say, are going to be following soon. And these are available for purchase at your local dealer. And this is the machine I would like to get in the future. S740. And the nice thing about this machine is it's 74 horsepower. It's under DEF fluid. This machine is also under DEF fluid. Okay guys, so I'm still at the dealership. This is an E20. I think this is a 324 style machine. It's 36 inches, I think it is, and it'll increase its size. Key start. I just wanted to give you a little shot of the dealership here, since they said I could. This is the E63. This is actually a Doosan machine that they paint as a Bobcat, kind of like the 442 was a Terex. So the inside is different. Oh, the key's in there. We could start it and take it. I would love a machine like this. Has the exchange. I might, but I really would rather have a Bobcat made machine. E26 here. Let's take a video of the line they got here. They got some line of machines. E55, E42s are over here. E55 minimal tail swing excavator. This is the machine that I like. Oh, here's a new M2 T650. Take a look inside. T650 has a larger top window. Same instrumentation. Turn dial throttle. Radio is down there. Foot pedals. Has heat and air, which is nice. Okay. And this is the M2's 2 series machines, different from the M's. Alright guys, thanks for watching.